Bijané. I am a certified ethical hacker. I began my career in the U.S. Army as a 25 uniform, which is a signal support systems specialist. That allowed me to grow into what I currently do, which is a defensive cyber operations analyst for the United States Space Command. What caught my attention about the CEH program is the fact that I can use the skills learned in more than one way. For example, I could use them on an offensive measure and be a part of a red team and penetrate systems. Or I could use them in a defensive measure and be on a blue team and defend against the attacks that I learned how to perform. By obtaining my CEH, I was able to progress myself and my career significantly. Had I not completed that certification, I can say truly and honestly, I would not be where I am now. So I am very grateful that I had the opportunity to complete that certification, learn the skills that I have now, and let them grow into something bigger. I can say that across the DoD and across the industry of cybersecurity that the CEH is a known and respected certification. Myself and my colleagues who are certified are proud to be certified ethical hackers. Prior to me taking my CEH course, I didn't really know which direction I wanted to move my career in. I knew I wanted to work in cybersecurity, however, I had no clue whether I wanted to do offensive operations or defensive operations. What exactly do I want to do? By taking the certification course, I quickly learned the things that I enjoyed and things that were kind of just not something I would want to do on a daily basis. I believe that the skill set that I've obtained by going through the program in comparison to someone who did not go through the program is the fact that the hands-on knowledge that I was able to learn from the instructor who was a professional within the field of cybersecurity cannot be matched. To have someone walk you through it, answer all of your questions, give you feedback, tell you where you're wrong, it's just unmatchable. There's no way to explain how much I was able to grow by learning every single thing that I was able to learn within that program. My absolute favorite part of the program was when we were hacking our own boxes, our virtual boxes. I really enjoyed the hands-on collaboration, that teamwork that we had to rely on each other. I really enjoyed that part of the program. That being said, I believe that 5 days is enough for someone with a little bit of background IT, cybersecurity knowledge. However, someone without a little bit of basic knowledge might need a little bit longer to fully absorb the information. I can attribute my success within the world of cybersecurity to EC Council due to the fact that if I had not earned my certification, I would not be as confident in my skill set and I would not be as competitive in this industry.